Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
This slide explains when to use a soft reset versus a hard reset. Use a soft reset to clear temporary errors without deleting Bluetooth pairings. Use a hard reset to restore factory settings and remove all paired devices if problems persist. You will press power and volume buttons and count seconds precisely. Follow the next slide for a step sequence with exact timings for reliable results. Begin with a soft reset by powering off the headphones first. Press and hold power for 10 seconds to perform a soft reset and clear cache errors. If issues persist, perform a hard reset by holding power and volume down simultaneously for 15 seconds. Release both buttons when the LED flashes rapidly or changes color. After releasing, wait 60 seconds before powering on to complete the reset cycle and ensure settings apply correctly. After a hard reset, you must repair the headphones with your device manually. First, delete Skullcandy Crusher Evo from the device Bluetooth list to avoid connection conflicts. Charge the headphones to at least 50% and keep devices within 1 meter during pairing for reliability. Enter pairing mode by holding power until the LED flashes blue and white. Remember that a factory reset clears presets and resets the active equalizer and bass settings to defaults.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.